Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Vietnam. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Alright, the link and coupon will be in the description, and let's get started. Alright, step 1. Open description in the video and click on link Voyafly eSim and open website voyafly.com. And click on this and write Vietnam. Yes, and click on this and open new page and scroll down and choose data type, unlimited data or fixed data. Okay, I'm select unlimited and choose a speed plane, light, plus, premium. I'm recommend plus, maybe premium. Alright, this is very fast and slowly medium speed. Alright, click on premium and select days. I'm select 30 days and settings eSim unlimited 4G 5G data and no downloads or registration, and keep your WhatsApp number and instant activation under 5 minutes. How to activation and buy a SIM and send your email address, QR code and activation instruction. Alright, click on buy it now. This website number 1 for eSIM in the world, and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips. Okay, and click on apply. This discount order $29.70. This is very good. And click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email, write payment, write billing address, and click on buy now and buy a SIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.